Hi children, good morning. This is Kameshwari, your social teacher. In geography part, I completed 1, 2, 3 lessons. But I don't know how you are following the classes. I hope we are all read these all our lessons. We are all writing the running notes. In this video, I will give you some questions as a form of assignment. Read the textbook and find out the answers of these questions and bits. Write those answers. Now assignment 1. What is the meaning of solar system? This is the first lesson of our geography textbook. Solar system. I explained the earth in the solar system, that is the name of first lesson. In solar system, how many planets are there, what is the nearest, what is the farthest. I explained those all things. So here you write what is the meaning of the solar system. Enough. Next question is, what is the universe? How the universe forms? In universe, what are there? Okay, you write the question, answer of this question. What is the universe? Why do we see only one side of the moon always? That is the third question, children. Moon. Moon is the satellite of our earth. Moon revolves around our earth. We are all living on the earth. At the time, we see only one side of the moon. Why? What is the reason? Write the answer of this question. Next, in this lesson, you write these three questions. Next, the planet known as the Earth twin. Twins. Twins means both two members as it is. Their qualities, their size, all are like that. What is the twin planet of the Earth? Which planet is similar to our Earth? Which planet is too similar in size, shape, qualities, like that? So what is the Earth twin planet? Next one, which is the third nearest planet to the Sun? Third nearest planet here, distance. From the distance, third nearest planet in size. And here I asked you nearest planets, distance from the Sun. First one is Mercury, second one is Venus. What is the third nearest planet to Sun? Okay children, you write. Next one, dash name is given to the full moon day. Every month, one full moon day, one new moon day occurs. One day in the month, full moon appears to us. Which name is given to that day? So write the answer of that bit. What is the full moon day name? Next, dash star indicates the north direction. Stars have not changed their directions. They fix it in one position. Stars, they don't move. One star indicates the north direction. The old and ancient people also know very well what is the name of that star. Saptarishi Mandal I explained. The last two stars pointing one star. That is answer of this bit, and you write the answer of this bit. Dash star indicates the north direction. Next, meteoroids are made up of dash. In our solar system, meteoroids, asteroids, planets, satellites, dust particles, so many are there. Meteoroids are made up of dash. How did the meteoroids made? Write the answer. Next, asteroids are found between the orbits of dash and dash planets. Between these two planets, asteroids belt found. Okay, this belt found between the inner planets and outer planets. Okay, what is the ending of inner planets? What is the starting of which planet is starts the outer planet? That is the answer of that bit, children. Right. Dash is the model of the earth. We know very well the answer of this bit. I shown so many times in the class also. Dash is the model of the earth. Dash divides the earth into the eastern and the western hemisphere. On the globe, two lines divide the earth into two equal halves. One is equator. Equator divides our earth into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Here I ask, dash line divides the earth into eastern and western hemisphere. Write the answer of that bit. Next, the two ends of the axis are called two ending points of the axis. What one name is there? What is the ending points of the axis? Write the answer. Next, the value of the prime meridian. The value of the prime meridian or Greenwich meridian, both are same. So what is the value of the prime meridian? Next, earth takes dash time to rotating from 1 degree longitude to next longitude. Total 360 longitudes are there. Earth rotates itself. It takes some time to passes one longitude to another longitude. How much time it takes? From 1 degree latitude to next longitude. How many minutes? I will give one clue also. How many minutes? Write that answer. What is the full form of GMT? GMT. Full form of GMT I have to write. Next, Arctic Circle is located in the dash hemisphere. Northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere? Arctic Circle. Okay. Next, what are the three heat zones of the earth? The total earth is divided into three heat zones. What are those three heat zones? The total number of longitudes are, total number of latitudes are 181. The total number of longitudes are, you write the answer of this bit. The prime meridian is also known as 0 degrees longitude meridian is also known as dash. It has another name. What is that name? Right here. Motion of the earth on its axis in about 24 hours. What is that motion? The earth has two motions. Okay, one motion, due to one motion day and nights occur, another motion seasons are formed. This motion has taken 24 hours. What is the name of that motion of the earth? Next, when do the longest day and the shortest night occurs in the northern hemisphere? While the earth is revolving around the sun, some days it receives a lot of heat and light from the sun. At the time, summer season occurs on that particular area in the northern hemisphere. So on which date? Here, that date, the starting date, when do with the longest day, that day you have longest daytime and shortest night time. What is that date? Next, in which season Christmas celebrated in Australia? Australians celebrates Christmas in one season. What is the name of that season? Right. Days and nights occurs on the earth due to dash motion. Due to which motion day and nights occurs on the earth? That is the question. When do equinox occurs on the earth? Two dates are there. these two dates, the entire earth has equal days time and equal night time. That's why these two dates are called equinox. So when do equinox occurs on the earth? Leap year has dash number of days. Every year has generally 365 days. Leap year has how many days? That is the question. Total 25 questions are there. These 25 questions, read the textbook 2 or 3 times, answer, and first you note it down these 25 questions in our running note, refer the textbook and answer the following, answer these questions. In the next video, we will give you the answers to you. Thank you children. Bye.